driving back to Bobcat Airport down the farm today, and it's really windy. Excuse me. And but I'm going to try to sight in my new 44 mag rifle, CVA single shot. So we're going to try to talk over the wind, and I'm going to do something different today. I've got this laser bore sighter, magnetic, fits on the end of the barrel. So we're going to give it a try and see if it works, or see if I can make it work. Anyhow, time will tell. Well, I think the scope on the CVA 44 mag single shot rifle is hopefully close enough I can hit this paper from 50 yards. So we're going to give that a shot and see. I'm sure it's going to need adjustment, but hopefully we hit this big hunk of paper. Time will tell. Now shooting 50 yards with the CVA single shot 44 Magnum Scout, and it's a Drake barrel. It's also got a hair trigger. Well, from 50 yards, excuse me, we're a bit on the low side. So we'll go back and adjust it up and see where it comes in. Well, we've adjusted the scope up about 20 clicks, so we'll see where it goes. Now we'll go take a look. Well, that's not too bad. I, excuse me, adjusted the scope up there about 20 clicks up, so that brought it in pretty decent. I don't know that I'm going to mess with it. I may touch it up just a hair, but I think from that point I probably can just make it worse. But we'll shoot one more shot from 50 yards and see if I can't squeak it over. A couple clicks in the middle and a couple clicks down, and see what happens. Now we'll go take a look. Hey, who shot that one? I knew I should have stopped earlier. But I think now I have to go back and shoot at least one more and see how much of that was me. I adjusted the scope, a couple clicks to the left and a couple clicks down. We'll go take a look. Well, that's a bit more like it. So I must have just jerked that one. So anyhow, well, that was fun. Sighting in guns is not normally fun for people to watch. It's fun shooting that gun. It seems like a really nice gun for a relatively cheap gun. So anyhow, thanks for being here with us at the farm, shooting the CVA 44 Magnum single shot rifle. So everybody take care. Thanks for being here.